but the letter wasn't. So here it is. This is, oh, it was sent to the clerk of the court. You see how they use, they all on name basis. Back in the day when I grew up, it was you sent a motion or a document to the honorable clerk. Now they just use their names. They're all familiar, you know. Okay, now, as this individual is writing this, he said a motion to dismiss. This is the first letter I've received from any of these defendants. And we'll be responding back to it. But first, we haven't got the green cards, all the green cards back from the United States Post Office that they were delivered. And there's a problem with that. Okay, but we're going to address this. We're going to send some flash drives with the full recording to this honorable judge and see if they're honorable or not. But here's the letter that was sent. I'm going to let you read all of it. It's a hefty document, but I just want you to read the first parts of it. He's filing physical evidence, y'all. He's not filing the real evidence. He's picking and choosing what physical evidence they're filing, this law firm. But this is the document. Notice. Okay. This is the notice of appearance. City of Tacoma Park, on behalf of these dirty police officers. That's his federal bar license. I'm glad he put that on there because we'll be filing a complaint on him. You know, when you conspire with someone, you're committing a crime. And this recording will clearly show this law firm is conspiring to deprive me of my constitutional rights. And my constitutional rights, let me make it clear to you, is to file a grievance and to be heard in a courtroom on honesty. You know, these lawyers today, they're not honest. They get paid to manipulate the court system. And that's something we have to stop. We got to get rid of these dirty lawyers, dirty judges, dirty state attorneys, and dirty cops and government officials. As you look at this recording that I recorded yesterday so you can see it, you clearly see these two dirty police officers of Tacoma Park conspired with Enterprise employees to have me arrested for disorderly conduct, which isn't a disorderly conduct. You know, they don't even know what the law is and be trying to enforce it. But let's go on. This is the letter, notice of appearance. Okay. Here is the motion to dismiss it. I want y'all to just read some of this. Mind you, this is the same dirty officer that arrested me after the fact for another disorderly conduct in Langley Park in Prince George's County, Maryland. And then they want to say, oh, no, that's not it. Okay, this is certificate. All right, this is what I want y'all to look at. All right, this is the memorandum that they're saying that under this to dismiss this case. For disorderly conduct in Tacoma Park, Maryland. I was not disorderly. They are entitled to a dismissal. Okay, let's go to the Constitution of the United States. Okay, Tacoma Park defendants are entitled to a dismissal of all counts because the officers had probable cause to arrest. What was their probable cause? Conspiring to get an arrest? Let me go back to the recordings, and I want you people to think and who use common sense. If they had probable cause to make the arrest, why didn't they do it when they first pulled up and I stood on the sidewalk? Why did they let me tell you something, they had the black female in the car in the front to go down and do a protected order against me. Now, mind you, she said I called her a fat bitch and all this before the police came. So